Greetings children, welcome to the class of linear pair of equations in two variables, session number 3. It is already discussed. This is page number 63 to 94 of Karnataka State syllabus. Children, in our previous class we discussed about the three different ways of algebraic ways to solve the simultaneous linear equations, this pair of linear equations. First one is elimination method, second one is substitution method, third one is cross multiplication method. We already know what is elimination method. In elimination method we have to eliminate any one of the unknown quantity, that is x or y, and so that by taking one value we substitute another value, so that we get both unknown quantities. In our class, today's class, we shall discuss about the substitution method and cross multiplication method, children. Now first I will take substitution method. What is substitution method? The name itself suggesting it is substituting. What do you mean by substituting? By taking one example we will check what is substitution method. Children, there are two equations. One is 7x minus 15y is equal to 2 and another one is x plus 2y is equal to 3. Now we have to solve these two equations. We have to solve for x and y. Solution. First what we have to do, we pick either of the equations and write one variable in terms of another variable, which means we have to write one variable, that is x in the form of y or y in the form of x. Let's check. We have 7x minus 15y is equal to 2, that is equation number 1. X plus 2y is equal to 3, that is equation number 2. Now let us consider equation 2 because it is looking so easy, na? So now what is the value of x here? Just transfer 2y to the right side, which means x is equal to 3 minus 2y. Let us consider this as equation number 3. Now substitute the value of x in equation number 1. Okay, what we may get? Just check. Equation number 1 is 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. We are going to substitute the value of x in this equation. So 7 into 3 minus 2y minus 15y is equal to 2. Now we have to multiply 7 to 3 and minus 2y. We will get 21 minus 14y minus 15y is equal to 2. Transfer 21 to RHS. We are transferring 21 to RHS. What we get? It plus 21 becomes minus 21. So minus 14y minus 15y is equal to 2 minus 21. Minus 29y is equal to minus 19. So y is equal to minus 19 by minus 29, which is y is equal to, both minus will get cancelled and the value of y is 19 by 29. We will get the value of y as 19 by 29. Now substitute the value of y in equation number 3 so that we will get the value of x also. How? Just, what is equation number 3? X is equal to 3 minus 2y. X is equal to 3 minus 2 into, in the place of y we are going to substitute the value of y, that is 19 by 29. On simplification we get x is equal to 3 minus 38 by 29. On simplification we get 87 minus 38 divided by 29, which means here we took the LCM, that is 29, and we are simplifying. X is equal to 49 by 29. So the solution of these equations is x is equal to 49 by 29 and y is equal to 19 by 29. Children, this is called substitution method. What do you mean by substitution method? We are going to substitute the value of x of one equation in the value in another equation, so that we will get the value of y. After getting the value of y, we are going to substitute the value of y in one equation, so that we will get the value of x also. Let us do verification. How to do verification? X is equal to 49 by 29, y is equal to 19 by 29. We have one equation, that is 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. In the place of x, we will put 49 by 29, and in the place of y, we will put 19 by 29. On simplification, we get 343 by 29 and 285 by 29 is equal to 2. So, on simplification, it is 58 by 29, that is equal to 2. 29 ones are 29 twos are, that is 2 equals 2, that is LHS is equal to RHS, and our solution is exactly correct. Substitute same values in equation number, another equation, that is x plus 2y is equal to 3, 49 by 29 plus 2 into 19 by 29 is equal to 3. On simplification, 49 by 29 plus 38 by 29, that is equal to 3. On simplification, 87 by 29 is equal to 3, that is 29 ones are 29 threes are, that is 3 equals 3. We will get LHS is equal to RHS, and our problem is solved. Now check another example. Solve the, see, in the point of view of examination, it may not be there in this year, but solve the following pair of equations by substitution method. Equations are like this: x plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. Now we have to substitute the value of either x or y in equations. Now x plus y is equal to 14, let us keep this as equation number 1, and x minus y is equal to 4, let us keep this as equation number 2. Consider equation number 2. X minus y is equal to 4, just transfer y to RHS, we will get x is equal to 4 plus y. Substitute the value of x, that is equation number 3, in equation number 1. What we will get? X plus y is equal to 14. In the place of x, we are going to put the value of x, that is 4 plus y. 4 plus y plus y is equal to 14. 4 plus 2y is equal to 14. 2y is equal to 14. Transfer 4 to RHS. We will get 2y is equal to 14 minus 4, that is 2y is equal to 10. What is the value of y here? 10 by 2, or divide both sides by 2, we will get y is equal to 5. So by this substitution method, we will get the value of y as 5. Now substitute the value of y in equation number 1, that is x plus y is equal to 14. In the place of y, we are going to put the value of y, that is 5. X plus 5 is equal to 14. X is equal to 14. Transfer 5 to right side. We will get x is equal to 14 minus 5, that is x is equal to 9. The solution of these equations is x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. Next problem. The sum of two numbers is 137 and their difference is 43. Find the numbers. Children, here we don't know the numbers, but they have given the sum of two numbers is 137 and their difference is 43. We have to find those numbers. Solution: let those numbers be x and y. The first condition they have given, sum of two numbers is 137. So x plus y is equal to 137. Assume this as equation number 1, children. And the second condition they have given is their difference is 43. So x minus y is equal to 43. Assume this as equation number 2. Now equation number 2 can be written as x is equal to y plus 43 because I am sending minus y to RHS, so it becomes plus y. X is equal to y plus 43. So assume this as equation number 3. Now substitute the value of x in equation number 1 or in equation number 2, children. Here I will substitute the value of x, that is equation number 3, in equation number 1, so that we will get x plus y is equal to 137. This is the first equation. So in place of x, I am substituting the value y plus 43 plus y is equal to 137. Y plus y, that is 2y. 2y plus 43 is equal to 137. I am sending 43 to right side, that is RHS. So it becomes minus 43. Therefore the equation becomes 2y is equal to 137 minus 43. So 2y is equal to 94. Y is equal to 94 divided by 2, that is 47. 2 ones are 2 47s are. So y is equal to 47. We got the value of y. Now substitute the value of y in equation number 1 or in equation number 2. Here I am substituting the value of y in equation number 1, so that equation number 1 is x plus y is equal to 137. So in place of y, I am substituting its value, that is x plus 47 is equal to 137. X is equal to 137 minus 47, because I am sending plus 47 to RHS, it becomes minus 47. X is equal to 137 minus 47, so x is equal to 90. So we got the value of x and y, children. Now let us verify this. Here I got the value of x as 90 and y as 47. Now let's do verification. The sum of two numbers is 137, that is x plus y is equal to 137. Substitute the value of x and y here. 90 plus 47 is equal to 137. Is it right? 90 plus 47 is equal to 137. So first condition satisfied. So second condition, their difference is 43. X minus y is equal to 43. Now substitute the value of x and substitute the value of y here, children. It becomes 90 minus 47 is equal to 43. Yes, 90 minus 47 is equal to 43. So second condition satisfied. Children, let's do some practice problems. Write down these problems and do it yourselves. Show it to your teacher, children. The sum of two numbers is 52 and their difference is 20. Find the numbers. The sum of thrice the first and the second is 142, and 4 times the first exceeds the second by 138. Then find the numbers. Write down these problems, children. Next problem, sum of two numbers is 50 and their difference is 10. Then find the numbers. Now for home assignment, in exercise number 3.3, I solved only one problem there. There are so many problems. You try to solve. If any discrepancy, ask your subject teacher, children. Now this is called substitution method. One more method is there, cross multiplication method. Children, observe carefully. Let us consider the following equations. First equation, a1x plus b1y plus C1 is equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x is A1, coefficient of y is B1 and C1 is constant. And again consider another equation, A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x is A2, coefficient of y is B2 and C2 is constant. Now multiply equation number 1 by B2, which is the coefficient of y in equation number 2, and multiply the equation number 2 by the coefficient of y of equation number 1, that is B1. Interchanging, A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 into B2 plus, and another one is A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0 into B1. Let us consider this as equation number 3 and 4. Now what we will get? A1 B2x plus B1 B2y plus C1 B2 is equal to 0. That is equation number 3, already we know. And next equation, A2 B1x, B2 B1y, C2 B1 is equal to 0. That is equation number 4. Now subtract equation number 4 with equation number 3 because the coefficients of y in both equations are same. So by subtract the equation number 4 from 3, we will get A1 B2x plus B1 B2y plus C1 B2 is equal to 0, and one more equation, A2 B1x plus B2 B1y plus C2 B1 is equal to 0. Now subtract. While subtracting, the signs of the second equation automatically changes. Now B1 B2y, B2 B1y get cancelled, or both when we subtract B1 B2y with B1 B2y, it will get cancelled, and then answer is 0. Now A1 B2x minus B1 A2x plus constant C1 B2 minus C2 B1 is equal to 0. Now what we do? Take out the common factor x. That is, by taking the common factor x, we will get A1 B2 minus B1 A2 into x plus C1 B2 minus C2 B1 is equal to 0. Now transfer this constant to right side, that is RHS. We will get A1 B2 minus B1 A2x is equal to C2 B1 minus C1 B2. Observe here children, the signs are going to interchange when we go right side. When we transfer this into right side, the signs of those constants automatically interchanging. Now what is the value of x here? The x is equal to C2 B1 minus C1 B2 divided by A1 B2 minus B1 A2. This we will get as the value of x here children, provided there is a one condition. What is that condition? A1 B2 minus B1 A2 should not be equal to 0. If it becomes 0, the answer itself goes to undefined. So it should not be equal to 0. Now transfer the numerator of RHS to left hand side. What it becomes? X by C2 B1 minus C1 B2 is equal to 1 over A1 B2 minus B1 A2. Let us consider this as equation number 5 children. Substitute the value of x in equation number 1 or in equation 2, we will get the value of y. I am directly giving the value of y is equal to C1A2 minus C2A1 over A1 B2 minus B1 A2. Again we are transferring the numerator of right hand side to the LHS, which becomes denominator here. Y by C1A2 minus C2A1 is equal to 1 over A1 B2 minus B1 A2. Let us consider this as equation number 6. Now RHS of equation number 5 and RHS of equation number 6 are both are same. By considering the equation number 5 and 6, we will write this as x over C2 B1 minus C1 B2 is equal to y over C1A2 minus C2A1 is equal to 1 over A1B2 minus B1A2. By substituting these values, we are going to solve the equations, that is linear pair of equations. We are going to solve this. This is the simple formula for cross multiplication method. On simple, still we are going to remember this simply. How? Just write this, write like this: x b1 b2 for y, c1 c2 for 1 a1 a2, and again repeat b1 b2. Cross multiply this: x over c2 b1 minus c1 b2 is equal to y over c1 a2 minus a1 c2 is equal to 1 over a1 b2 minus b1 a2. Just cross multiplying this, we will get that equation. This is the simple way to remember this method, children. Now let us solve one equation, one problem on this. Solve the following pair of linear equations by cross multiplication method. 8x plus 5y is equal to 9, one equation. Another equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Now solution. We know what are the equations: a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and another one is a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Just write in that form: 8x plus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0, and 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Here a1 is equal to 8, correct, b1 is equal to 5, correct, c1 is equal to, observe here it is not in the plus sign, it is minus sign, so minus 9, and again a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 2, and c2 is equal to minus 4. Just recall that cross multiplication formula, children. It is x, this is the simple formula. So now substitute values: x, b1 is 5, b2 is 2, c1 is minus 9, c2 is minus 4, a1 is 8, a2 is 3, b1 is 5, b2 is 2. Now x over c2 b1 minus c1 b2 is equal to y over c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 over a1 b2 minus b1 a2. So on simplification, we will get x over 5 into minus 4 minus minus 9 into 2 is equal to y over minus 9 into 3 minus of minus 4 into 8, that is equal to 1 over 8 into 2 minus 5 into 3, that is x over minus 20 plus 18, y over minus 27 plus 32, 1 over 16 minus 15, that is x over minus 2 is equal to y over 5 is equal to 1. 1 over 1 is nothing but 1. So now substitute x over minus 2 is equal to 1. Just take the constants. So x is on cross multiplication, we get x is equal to minus 2. We get the value of x as minus 2, and y over 5 is equal to 1, and cross multiplication y is equal to 5. The solution of these equations are x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. Children, now let us verify this. How to verify? Value of x is minus 2, value of y is 5. Write first equation: 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. In the place of x, we will substitute the value of x as minus 2 and substitute the value of y as 5. 8 into minus 2 plus 5 into 5 is equal to 9, that is minus 16 plus 25 is equal to 9, that is 25 minus 16 is 9, 9 is equal to 9, that is LHS is equal to RHS. In the same way, 3x plus 2y is equal to 4, 3 into minus 2 plus 2 into 5 is equal to 4, that is minus 6 plus 10 is equal to 4, that is 10 minus 6 is equal to 4, 4 is equal to 4, and our values are correct. The problem, the way we solved is correct. So let's check another problem, children. The cost of 5 oranges and 3 apples is rupees 35. and the cost of 2 oranges and 4 apples is rupees 28. Then find the cost of orange and an apple. So here first we have to write the equation. Let us consider the cost of an apple will be rupees x and the cost of an orange will be rupees y. Then the equations becomes 5x plus 3y is equal to 35, that is equation number 1. 2x plus 4y is equal to 28. So now we have to solve these two equations right in the standard form, that is 5x plus 3y minus 35 is equal to 0. 2x plus 4y minus 28 is equal to 0. Now find out the value of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. So a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to minus 35. Here a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 4, c2 is equal to minus 28. Now recall that formula and substitute the values x, b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2 and b1, b2 again. So we will get like this: x by c2 b1 minus c1 b2 is equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 over a1 b2 minus b1 a2. So x over, on substitution, x over 3 into minus 28 minus of minus 35 into 4 is equal to y over minus 35 into 2 minus minus 28 into 5, that is equal to 1 over 5 into 4 minus 3 into 2, that is x over minus 84 plus 140 is equal to y over minus 70 plus 140, that is equal to 1 over 20 minus 6. X over 56 is equal to y over 70, that is equal to 1 over 14. Now let us consider x over 56 is equal to 1 over 14. On cross multiplication we get x is equal to 56 divided by 40, that is x is equal to 4. Next, y is equal to y over 70 is equal to 1 over 14, y is equal to 70 by 14, y is equal to 5. So this is the way we have to solve. The solution of these equations are x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5, children. Now there are some problems in your exercise. The exercise number 3.5. Just solve these equations, children. Solve these problems and you will get more clarity about this cross multiplication method, children. In our next class we are going to discuss about very important in the point of view of examination, that is graphical method of solving linear pair of equations. Please keep graph paper, pencil and textbook with you, children. Till now, thank you. This is Girish KS, Assistant Teacher, Government High School, Jalige, Devanalli Taluk. Thank you, children.